Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Apple News app that keeps crashing on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, force quit the Apple News app and restart it. So open and force quit and open. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So open your lock screen here. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here. So check for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest next version. So after updating your iPhone, the next solution is delete the Apple News app and reinstall it. So for this, tap on hold, remove app, delete app, and tap on delete. So after deleting, open App Store here, tap on search Apple News here. So Apple News. So guys, sorry, I have the country that is not available. So that reinstall the Apple News app and it will 100% fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.